Welcome to Flavors. So let's make pizza today, but not the normal pizza. I'll show you how to make roti pizza quick and simple. So before starting the recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So let's get started. For roti pizza, we need 2 tablespoons of butter. This is my homemade pizza sauce. If you want to know how to make this recipe, a link will pop up on the screen. You can click on the link. It's a roti pizza, so obviously 4 rotis or chapatis. Salt. I'm making a cheese basil pizza, so that's why I've used 8 to 10 fresh basil leaves dipped in cold water. Cheese. Oregano and chili flakes. Firstly, apply butter on one roti. Apply a generous amount. Now we'll take this roti and we'll place it on the roti wherein we had applied butter. So it will create a good base for our pizza. Now apply 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce. This is my homemade pizza sauce. Put cheese, how much ever cheese you like. I've used normal processed cheese. You can use mozzarella if you have. Five to 6 basil leaves. So I'm making a cheese basil pizza, that's why I'm only going to use basil as my topping, but you can use any toppings of your choice. Sprinkle some salt. Some chili flakes. Some oregano. It's looking so colorful and pretty. Similarly, I prepared the second roti pizza. It's a simple and quick recipe and tasty. Now in a pan, apply butter. Place the roti pizza and cover it with a lid for 3 to 4 minutes. The flame is low. Yeah, our roti pizza is ready. Cheese, basil, roti pizza. Just look at it. So pretty. This is the second one. If you want, you can put some cheese, chili flakes and oregano. Basil gives a fresh taste to the pizza, so that's why I decided to use basil as my topping. Do try this recipe, guys. It tastes amazing. Did you hear the sound? It's so crispy. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments if you liked this or not. Bye.